Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download and install YouTube Kids application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection and then launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's operating system. In the search box, type in YouTube Kids. Look for this application from Google and then tap the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. Once the app gets installed, tap the Open button to begin using the app. And your child can now enjoy a safer YouTube experience made just for them using the YouTube Kids application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.